Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to pair a FireStick Remote to your Fire TV stick. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. To pair a FireStick Remote, you need to press the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds as it is shown in this video. You will see a blink of light on your FireStick Remote that will indicate that it has started to pair. In a few seconds, you will see a notification on your FireStick screen that your remote has been paired. If your remote isn't pairing, here are a few things you can try. Make sure the batteries are fresh and properly inserted. Unplug your FireStick from the power source, wait about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Restart the remote by removing the batteries from the remote. Press and hold any button for 10 seconds. Then reinsert the batteries and try pairing again. Hope this helps you pairing the remote. If you still face any issues, just let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.